What's poppin' everyone? Welcome back to another video. If you're bored using your same Windows 11 theme for a long time, then be patient. Because here in today's video, I'll go ahead and show you how to customize your Windows 11 computer with a different theme and color contrast. So before I do, let's begin with the video. In order to change the theme or the color contrast for your Windows 11 computer, just simply go ahead and head over to your Start menu and then click on Settings. Once you're inside the settings, just go ahead and click on Personalization, and then you'll get to see the theme option. So just go ahead and click over here, and once you click over here, you'll get to see the default themes are available for your Windows 11 computer. You can go through one by one and see that which one is suitable for you. For example, I'm gonna select the first one, and you can check this out, that how does it look like, and after that you just go and change one by one and see which one is perfect for you. Or if you think that these default themes is not acceptable or not suitable for you, then you can also download different themes for your Windows 11 computer as well. So to do that, is simply go ahead and click on Browse Theme. If you click over here, it will take you directly to the Microsoft Store. Well, so once you are get into the Microsoft Store, it will be giving you a few different themes for your Windows 11 computer. You just go ahead and find out your favorite themes. For example, I'm gonna select this one. Once you click on that, you'll get to see option get or install, whatever the option is. Just go ahead and click over here in order to install the theme for your computer. Well, so once you are done with the installing process, just get back from here and go to the settings. Once you come over here, as you can see, the new theme has been added to your current theme. So you can simply just go ahead and select this one, and you can see the changes. The theme has been totally changed for my computer. So following the same way, you can download or install multiple themes for your Windows 11 computer, and you can go ahead and change one by one and see which one is perfect for your Windows 11 computer. Well, so now in order to change the color contrast on your Windows 11 computer, all you need to do is just go ahead and scroll down a little bit from here, and you'll get to see the contrast theme option. Just go ahead and click over here. Once you click on that, you'll get to see a few different preview for the color contrast. So you can have a look one by one over here, and you can identify that which one is gonna be perfect contrast for your Windows 11 computer. For example, the first one is pretty nice, so I'm just gonna go ahead and select over here, and then you can have a look on the name is aquatic, so I'm just gonna select this one, for example, and then click on apply, and it will take a little time to make changes. And here, as you can see, the color contrast has been completely changed for my Windows 11 computer, and it looks pretty nice. So like this way, you can easily change the contrast theme on your Windows 11 computer at the same time. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video, and thank you very much for watching.